Hey, if you are wondering if your Apple Watch support blood oxygen measurements, then it actually depends of what kind of the model you have. So take a look. In my case, when I'm going to open watch application on my iPhone, I can find blood oxygen measurements. And it is actually available since Apple Watch Series 6. So Series 6 and the later versions are actually equipped with this model. Also, all Ultra models support this. And the models that do not support this feature, all special edition models, and also older watches before Series 6. And also, even some new Apple Watches support this one, but that feature is actually disabled for some patent related reasons. So before you purchase this device, you have to make sure that in your region it is actually fully supported. So basically check the official Apple website for your region.